Hey guys, welcome to the ultimate C++ course. In this course, you will master everything from fundamentals to advanced concepts, including data structures and algorithm in C++. So by the end of this course, you will be able to write C++ code with confidence if you are looking for a comprehensive, easy to follow, well organized and practical course that takes you from zero to hero. This is the right course for you. Also, for that you don't need any prior knowledge of C++ or programming. Now let's jump in and get started. So coming to introduction to C++. C++ is a general purpose, high level compiler based and object oriented programming language which was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup at Bell Labs in 1979. It builds on C by adding advanced features for OOPS concepts and effective memory management, and this makes it suitable for a wide range of applications from system software to game development. Now let's discuss the features of C++. First one is efficiency. C++ is known for its efficiency in terms of both runtime performance and memory usage. It allows low-level manipulation of resources and direct memory access, which can lead to faster execution compared to high-level languages. For example, real-time systems like game engine benefit from C++ ability to directly manage hardware resources, ensuring fast performance and responsiveness. Next one is portability. C++ code can be compiled to run on different platforms with minimal changes. For example, C++ code written on a financial analysis application can be compiled to run seamlessly on Windows, macOS and Linux, leveraging platform-specific libraries as needed. Next is scalability. C++ support projects ranging from small utility software to large-scale softwares. For example, developing a large-scale web server in C++ that allow for efficient handling in concurrent connection and data processing which support growing user demands. Next is compatibility. C++ code developed using standardized practices ensures compatibility across different compilers and platforms, which allow developers to maintain code integrity and reliability across diverse environments. For example, when you write C++ code using standards, practices, and it works seamlessly across different compilers like GCC, CLang, and Visual C++, which ensure that program run reliably on various operating systems without compatibility issues. Last one is community support. So C++ has a large and active community of developers which contributes to its robust ecosystem of libraries, frameworks and tools. Moreover, forums, conferences and online resources which offer to support collaboration opportunities of C++ developers, making it easier to learn and master the language. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. This is the free series which help you to master C++ from beginner to advanced levels. We'll explore each topic step by step, which cover from very first C++ program till advanced concepts in depth. Let's dive into each topic together. See you in next video, guys.